Hi, good morning. I am Maria Fe Pagulon Lloren, one of the bridging students of Bohol Island State University main campus. I am going to answer the questions regarding our assignment in curriculum development in our subject Eduk 9, the teacher and the school curriculum. First, let us define what is curriculum development. Curriculum development is the process of selecting, organizing, executing, and evaluating the learning experiences on the basis of the needs, abilities, and interests of the learners or on the basis of the nature of the society or community. Curriculum development has models. Curriculum development models are based on a clear and consistent understanding of various scholars of the nature of curriculum as a discipline and as a field of study. Curriculum development is clustered into three. We have linear models, cyclical models, and dynamic models. Our first question is which curriculum development model fits with current curriculum used in the Department of Education, and explain. The curriculum development model that fits our current curriculum is the linear model, specifically the understanding by design model or the UBD. Linear models follows a logical and sequential approach to curriculum development starting with curriculum objectives. Under linear models, there are six models. We have Tyler's rational linear model, Tabas grassroots rational model, standards-based curriculum development model, understanding by design model or the UBD, systematic design model, and Moray print model for curriculum development. The understanding by design model or the UBD is also called as the backward design. It was developed by Wiggins and McTighe in the year 2002. It has become an embodiment in the Philippine educational system because it was used to design the basic education curriculum in the year 2010 to 2011 before the K-12 education curriculum was implemented. Number 2 question. What would be the strengths and weaknesses of the curriculum development model you find fit for the current curriculum? The understanding by design model, also called as the backward design, is used for putting emphasis on starting with the goals and objectives in designing curriculum. The model puts the emphasis on designing curriculum to engage students in exploring and deepening their understanding of important ideas and the design of assessments. UBD has three stages in backward design process. Stage 1, identify desired results. It includes what students should know, understand, and be able to do it. It also asks the questions about what is worthy of understanding at what enduring understandings are desired for the learners. This calls for examining current curriculum goals and establish curriculum standards and reviewing curriculum expectations. Stage 2, determine acceptable evidence. Stage 2 calls for designing assessment evidence for documenting and validating whether the desired learning has been achieved. This model encourages the use of authentic assessment for assessing and evaluating students' learning. Stage 3, plan the learning experiences and instruction. It includes planning learning experiences that are useful in implementing the curriculum. In this stage, teachers decide on the type of activities that the students will do and the materials that will be needed for the planned activities. The UBD model is prescriptive and rational, focusing on the development of models of goals as the starting point of curriculum development process. This model is very popular in our country because of its advocacy in focusing on enduring understanding or central ideas as the central goal of the curriculum. Number 3 question. Explain why the other curriculum development models does not fit the Philippine context. The other curriculum development models does not fit the Philippine context because the other models are incomplete and probably be difficult to implement because of the lack of research in our education institutions. The other models also requires a tedious job of conducting situational analysis before developing any syllabus or curriculum plan and is very teacher-centered. Also, other models have many weaknesses and is not applicable in our education system. There is a need to develop a model that is precisely relevant and responsive to the academic needs and context in our country, especially with our current curriculum that is K-12 education. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.